Hi, my name is James Chase, and I'm a Business Development Manager at Milengo, which is a leading language translation service provider for the e-commerce industry. Thanks a lot for taking 5 minutes to watch this elevator pitch on why Milengo would be the best localization and translation service provider for your webshop content. First of all, it's clear that localization and translation is fundamentally important to driving your company's sales growth. You want to join your customers' culture and conversation rather than just selling into their markets, and a clear and well-defined localization strategy is obvious in gaining a competitive advantage. I'm guessing that right now your company most likely uses freelancers or internal translators to translate new product texts. This makes perfect sense at first glance, as it appears to be a relatively low-cost solution when compared to a traditional translation provider or external service provider. And it's also likely that your freelancers or internal translators have learned about your products and industry terminology and how to best translate them. But Milengo's approach to e-commerce localization isn't based on a traditional approach, and it outperforms your internal solution in 3 key ways. Firstly, it's faster. Second of all, it's easier to manage on your side. And thirdly, it's cheaper when looked at over time. Please allow me to explain why. Firstly, why is it faster? Milengo's solution is a hybrid model of machine translation that is then edited by professional human linguists, and this guarantees a level of quality that you're probably used to with your currently human-only approach. It is also significantly faster than traditional translation approaches. We build customized machine translation engines for each of our clients, which are tailor-made for their industry domain and product types. They deliver far better results than consumer machine translation solutions such as Google Translate, and this is because there's always the process of a human professional translator working to improve the quality, what we call post-editing. Milengo's entire process is significantly faster than the traditional translation approach of sending text to your internal or freelance teams, and our solution runs fully automated. All translated content is saved in company-specific databases called translation memories, and therefore able to be reused for future projects. Especially with highly repetitive product descriptions, this approach helps translate updates faster and cheaper. Secondly, why is it easier to manage on your side? We usually connect directly with our clients' webshop systems or content management systems via an API connector, which links directly to Milengo's translation management platform, languagedesk.com. This allows for texts that need to be translated, such as product descriptions, to be pushed to our system automatically, or as often as you would like, perhaps once a day, once a week, or once a month, depending on the number of new products that you add. The entire process then runs fully automated, so you don't have to send out product text, track delivery times, chase after overdue translations, or enter the translated text manually into the system. You also have access to a dashboard where you can view the status of current translation jobs, but most of our clients typically rely on our guaranteed delivery times, typically 24 to 48 hours. This saves you time while providing a fully integrated enterprise translation solution that delivers reliable quality output. Thirdly, why is it cheaper? When you use your internal junior resources or local sales teams working on translations, this may appear to be pretty cost efficient. But do you really want your local sales teams or your senior salespeople working on translation? This isn't a cost-efficient solution, just a way to hide costs. Milengo's solution is highly efficient and already cost competitive when looked at in the short term, but it actually becomes cheaper over time. After 12 to 24 months, you will have a highly optimized system in place that delivers the same translation quality at a fraction of the cost of your current model, and with no time requirements for managing the translation process on your side. And your in-country teams can concentrate on what they were actually hired to do in the first place. If any of this has made you interested, then please feel free to contact me, and I'd be happy to set up an online meeting to discuss your current setup and perhaps how Milengo's solution can optimize and simplify your translation process. I look forward to hearing from you. Thanks a lot and have a great day.